Just give me a ring, I'll fix it with my speed. You get the hero guarantee, the one you can trust. With heavy drums in it, and heroes in the house, and we don't quit.
Hello. Alright. So, I made a playlist of VTubers or people related to VTubers building PCs. Because, you know, that's my thing. I build PCs. I want to see how some of these smaller creators, smaller you will know when they're not a small creator, but you know, most of these on this playlist are smaller creators. Anyway, let's see how SpycyShark, spelled with 2 Y's, build, you know, their first time building a PC. An almost white aesthetic build. That's a mood. You can't get everything white because sometimes, for whatever reason, it's more expensive. There's a white premium for PC parts. I would know. Alright. Let's get to it. Let's see what you got.
First time building a PC.
Wow.
This is not a tutorial. I did not know what I was doing. I mostly relied on YouTube tutorials, so
That's
check those
fair.
out if you are going to build your own PC.
Alright, what do
This
you...
is my motherboard. I have probably overpaid for aesthetics. It looks like a
Now that is, if you don't mind overpaying, that's fine. Like, if there's a if you are willing to pay that extra, go ahead, but it's fine. Ooh, B650, 12th gen, 13th gen.
spaceship. It kind of makes me think of a stormtrooper.
I see it.
Lie.
It's got that
Got the
stormtrooper look.
AMD Ryzen.
Oh, I forgot. I'm dumb. I was mixing it up because, you know, late, like, I don't know, around 5-6 years ago, no, almost 9 years ago, AMD's like, all right, let's start confusing people with their motherboard names to almost sound like Intel's.
Ooh, you really have to push. Okay.
Push down, pull to the left.
Alright. Gently.
There we go, and that
Okay.
should pop out.
Popped out. Alright, we have to keep this because apparently if it doesn't work, I'll have to give it back.
If it doesn't work. Like, or if you want to sell the motherboard by itself for whatever reason. If you're planning to ship the motherboard with that CPU, yeah, you want to keep that. Only if you're planning to do that. Because more likely than not, you're going to lose that eventually if you plan on using this PC for the next 5-8 years.
Back to them. Oh, the RAM. Yeah, oh my god, the RGBs. So we have
Corsair's
2
good.
of these. All in all, 32 gigs. These are on sale. The white ones, if I wanted an all-white build, was like $30 more expensive. So I was like, you know what?
You're not going to see them. Let's see.
4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, wait. Yeah, I can see it right there. It's also says that.
Yeah.
There. Now the thing is the direction. It's supposed to snap. It's not snapping. What are we doing wrong here?
Push.
That popped out really easily. Oh, also, there's a sticker on this. Dang it. Jeez. Here I thought this was going to be the easiest part, and
It should be.
because it like snags a little bit on this part, and this is what I don't like about that.
Press hard. Press
Okay,
hard.
it's in. Now I have to do the other one. Gosh, I did not think the RAM was going to come with stickers. I know that the coolers do, but as well as the heat sinks, but
Let's
not the
see.
RAM. Okay, there we go. This is 1 and 3. All right. And then here is the sticky. Oh, yeah, it is magnetic.
Neato. Right there, yes. Like that. That's fine. The honestly, the cover will keep it, down. Yes, you actually took it off.
Wait a second, I just put it in the wrong slot. It could have gone up. Take it. So I'm gonna put it where the heat sink is. Let's try that again.
Yeah, let's try
People
that
make
again.
this look so easy, but there's a lot of resistance.
It's not that much resistance.
These are
They're SATA cables.
SATA cables. I don't think we're gonna need SATA cables because no hard disk drives, and my SSD is that. Oh, and I don't think
fair.
the AIO cooler uses it either.
No, it would not.
The fans don't make a lot of sense. They push this way instead of that way. So we'll see what's going on.
You figure it out. They're the intake fans.
I do not have to install IO shield. It already comes with the standoffs. Okay, so these are the standoffs. All right, we're putting it
with the intent of making the antenna through here.
Yeah, you can. Oh, you snagged a cable back here. Oh, theoretically, it will not fall out if we
should be
flip
fine.
It upwards.
Theoretically.
All right. Building the rest off stream, yeah, but I'm gonna try to record it, and hopefully everything works. Hopefully. Bye.
Really did go for almost all white. Yes. All right. Let's use some relaxing music for this. Cable management. Only if you want to. They couldn't get the all-white GPU. Oh, fancy. The ones that you could screw in. Yeah, you're fine. Yep, that's it. What I suggested is some white zip ties to kind of keep them together. No, just you could. That's a potential spot, but why do you just have one? What's the case? I need to keep that in mind. What is this case? It looks since it came with Corsair fans, I'm assuming it's a Corsair case. You'd rather not do that. Well,
It turned on, but there was a red light, and then the top fans weren't running. So I had to go and troubleshoot a lot of stuff.
all right, did it work? there we go. There we go. That's fun. I gotta see if they have the case listed because I'm looking for a white case that could take off the front panel like easy like that.
So a week later, it is still running. I've been using it for a few days, smooth as butter compared to my old computer.
Nice. Yeah, you can do that later, but if it's your
It
PC,
took a
you don't
lot of
have to
time
worry
and
about it.
some stress, but it was worth it to me. Well, thank you so much for watching the video. Hopefully see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Bye-bye. Nope, not you today. You get a chance another day. All right. Well, they did a solid job. You know, pretty straightforward. They got aesthetically, it's pretty good. Yeah, solid. Like they realized their minor mistakes. I would have put that fan on the back, the rear. You don't need you don't need the three intakes. You don't need 4 intakes, just saying. A back exhaust fan would have been nice. But yeah, that's pretty good. Alright. Anyway, if this video ends up on YouTube, I'll go ahead and leave the original video in the pinned comment and description. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
That platinum chain with them diamonds in it. Where'd you get that Magnum Benz with them windows tinted? Who them girls you be with when you be riding through? Man, I ain't got nothing to prove. I paid my dues, breaking the rules and shake fools while I'm taking the cruise. Tell me